One of the great things about the Ultimate Prep system is that it's available on nearly any device. It's available on a desktop or laptop using any current web browser like Chrome or Firefox. And it's also available through the Smartsheet app on iOS and Android smartphones. In this video, we're going to go through the process of getting the mobile app set up. Please note that this video assumes that you've already registered for Smartsheet, for which instructions are provided via email to you when your system is set up and ready for you to use. To use your Ultimate Prep system with the app, all you need to do is go into your iOS or Android app store, search for Smartsheet, which is all one word, and download the app. As you'll see, it's a highly rated app, very highly rated, with tens of thousands of reviews. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open the app. You should see something like this. Go ahead and tap the button that says, I already have an account, and then enter your email address and tap the continue button. Then enter your password and tap the login button. In case you see this screen, go ahead and tap the X in the upper left. You should be taken to any recent items that you've accessed in your account. And if you don't see your dashboard there, you can tap on Browse at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the workspace that's listed there. It's your workspace. And tap My Prep Dashboard. Remember, your dashboard is intended to be the hub of your Ultimate Prep system. When in doubt, head back to your dashboard. So that's it on this video. I hope this helped you get up and running with the Smartsheet mobile app so you can access your Ultimate Prep system wherever you are.